Greetings, and welcome or welcome back to my channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. You ever wonder when Jesus did go for heal people, if him did more concern about which day him did a do it pan, or if him did a think more about how him feel sorry for the somebody and want to see them get better? What you think? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your gotta talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time, if you click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, if you make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 14 from verse 1 to verse 6. One Sabbath, when Jesus did go for near one important Pharisee yard, the guests them did I watch him like ark. One man where suffer with swell up on her foot did in front of Jesus. Jesus asked the law teacher them and the Pharisee them say, if you get people better on the Sabbath, you have broke the law? They no answer him. Jesus hold the man on and make him better, then send him away. Jesus asked them, say, which one of unu, if unu have one boy picnic or one cow, we drop in a one well on the Sabbath, now go draw them out same time? Then couldn't answer that neither. A God Word This. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.